Ugh. I was looking at the glass and Lulu came and punched the glass. Oh, he's going outside now.
Mm. Oh, yeah.
Hello. I'm playing with your little claw. That's a cool little hat you got there, Rodders. Are you getting a picture of this?
I am, I'm videoing it. It's a nice shady bit, isn't it?
What is it being cute, Dad?
Mm.
I'm filming.
Well, if that's Rodders, Ash is being cute in the water.
Ah.
I'm afraid I can't say which is which. You've still got to...
I forget which one I'm playing with. Whichever one comes back to the side after he's done playing with his mate is the one I'm playing with.
They've always been friends, these two. They've been in here in nursery all the time together.
Yep, they were born together.
No,
Well,
a couple of months apart, I think.
yeah, well, when they were born, they're the first people that each other met.
Chimps don't normally like the water, do they?
No.
These two, loving
like they're
it.
water monkeys.
Yeah. It is warm though, isn't it?
Yeah. Her brothers had a fun time with me. Or
I'm pretty sure they did.
Looks like
Sometimes they throw the little coloured plastic balls in the water and they have a play.
Aw, they're going to jump in. I mean, that's real water?
Yeah.
Wow.
No, it's... Maybe they had some food thrown in there earlier, so he's just seeing if there's any bits left.
No, it's trees. But they do eat trees, don't they?
Yeah. They strip the branches off trees and eat the leaves.
They like bark as well. Because I was playing with
Whenever I
one
take pictures of monkeys, all I seem to do is get their backsides.
Rodders! Take a picture now. Hello? You want to play again? You taking a picture of them?
I'm videoing them, yeah.
Oh. I'm sure Vicky's going to be pleased with those videos you're taking.
I hope so.
Did you get some of me playing with brothers?
No.
Here you come for more.